Are you looking to grow your hair longer, thicker, and healthier? If yes, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth. It is super easy to prepare and this oil serves so many benefits. Alright Queen, let's get this show on the road. You will need to get fresh aloe vera leaves. As for me, I'll be using many leaves because I plan on making use of the rest later. Because of the latex present in aloe vera, which is the yellowish substance you are seeing right now, you will need to soak your aloe vera for 30 minutes to 1 hour to get rid of this. This latex contains compounds like aloe, which are known for their laxative effect. So I'll be soaking this for 30 minutes and washing it off after that time frame. Now that our leaves are free from the latex, we can now begin. First, you want to cut off the spikes to avoid them from hurting you because they are really sharp. After cutting off the spikes, you want to grab a kitchen towel and dry out the leaves to avoid introducing oil into your water. So I'll be placing my aloe vera one after the other on this towel and drying it up. Now that the leaves are dry, we can now begin making the oil. The next step is to chop the aloe vera leaves as this makes preparation way easy. Aloe vera serves numerous benefits to the hair. It helps to hydrate the scalp and the hair. It reduces dryness and breakage. It also has antifungal properties that can help combat dryness. After chopping my aloe vera into smaller pieces, the next thing I'll be doing is to grab a bottle of coconut oil. I'll be using about half cup of coconut oil and I'll be adding this to a cooking pot. Coconut oil is very beneficial for hair and the overall health of the hair. I'll be adding my aloe vera into this oil because we are going to be double boiling. Coconut oil also moisturizes the hair, reduces breakage, and protects the hair from damage. Like I said earlier, I'll double boil this on low heat and I'll be doing this for about 15 minutes. While this mixture is double boiling, keep stirring with your wooden spoon. This double boiling method helps the nutrient from the aloe vera to be infused into your oil. And all the nutrients from the aloe vera is infused into the oil, making this super effective for hair growth and skincare. After 25 minutes, I took this off the stove and with the help of an iron sieve, I'll be straining this oil. You can strain this oil while it is hot or cool or cold. As long as you're using a strainer, an iron strainer for that matter, feel free to sieve it anytime. After this cools off, I'll be transferring it into my dropper bottle. Feel free to make use of an applicator bottle. The next step is to show you how to apply this onto your hair. Applying this onto the hair is not difficult at all, it is equally easy. You want to begin by spritzing your hair with some water. Basically, we are going to be doing the LCO method. Saturating your hair with water helps your products to penetrate faster and easier, especially when you have low porosity hair. So the next thing you will be doing is to squeeze in this water into your hair to make it easy for your product to penetrate. Next, I'll be using a leave-in conditioner and I'll be adding this onto my hair. Basically, we are doing the LCO method, which means liquid, cream, and oil. If you have been following me, you will notice that anytime I want to apply my product, I always do the LCO method. The LCO method keeps the hair moisturized and also helps every product you're applying into your hair to penetrate your hair shaft. Now, after doing the L and the C, we'll be moving over to the aloe vera oil. Apply this oil onto the scalp and also on the body of your hair. It is important to apply this on your scalp because that is where your hair grows out from. So whatever oil or product you're applying, especially hairsprays and hair oil, make sure you do not skip applying them onto your scalp because your scalp is where your hair grows out from. After doing the LCO method, I'll go ahead to twist that back up and move to the next section, repeating the exact same steps I did with this first section. This oil can be used for hot oil treatment. It can also be used on the skin because it helps hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. Aloe vera oil nourishes the hair follicles. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which promote healthy hair growth. It strengthens the hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. It moisturizes the scalp, which improves the overall health of the hair. It also reduces hair loss and also accelerates hair growth. Aloe vera can also be used in so many other ways. So consider adding aloe vera to your natural hair routine because this plant is very beneficial to the hair. Aloe vera can also be used as the gel. The gel helps to hydrate the hair. It also makes detangling very easy. Thank you for staying with me till this point. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing for everything hair care, hair tips and tricks, and hair growth. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed. So after doing this, I think I was able to do this LCO on 3 sections. After doing this, I'm going to go ahead to apply this oil again on her scalp in case I missed any point. And because I also want to massage her scalp, I will ensure that the oil gets to every part of her scalp. Please do not skip the step of massaging, as massaging helps to promote hair growth. If you happen to have any problem areas like your edges, your nape, or your scalp where you might be balding, make sure you focus more on these problem areas and massage your hair as much as possible. Massaging helps me to grow my hair back, especially my edges. There was a time I had serious issues with my edges. My edges were falling out. They were looking all bald. In fact, I always covered my edges anytime I was stepping out. I've come to the end of this video. If you want to find out another way to use aloe vera, kindly click on this video right here and I'll see you right there. For now, bye.